So the SPY was driven by inflows, coming back up to test key outflow levels and resistance levels within these charts. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So the SPY pushed up higher here, holding support above 620. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 120% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision and get connected and equipped with our 42 vision indicators, our bull and bear indicators, and inflow versus outflow to receive the clarity and edge within the volatility of the charts and markets. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, getting inflows down here at 621 and retracing and retesting up towards the outflow level of 624. We have another inflow here, and it's going to need to push up even higher to retest the next outflow level, which we're going to break down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment to get connected and join the community, receiving the clarity and edge within the volatility. So the home run today was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot sent out a bear indicator at the open at 9:45 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 50% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected, and let's jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition back up to bright green bars, which I call the rip area, from the dip area of wire Fred borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we have the SPY, the SP 500 index, ranging between this outflow level that came up on Friday, pushing things down from 624 down towards 621. Things stopped there because we have inflow levels below that needed to act as support, or if we could stay above it and reverse. The first area to retest and retrace was this outflow level. Inflows came in to confirm that. We held above those levels and pushed away from it all day. Now it's going to be crucial and critical here for the bulls to reappear and push things back up from this level. And we could see on the 5-minute in the volatility, some inflows have came in. This needs to hold up above 623.80, and we want to break out above the 625 level and head towards the next outflow level here from Thursday to Friday, the big drop that we saw in the SPY, to head towards 626.30s. That's going to be a crucial level to the upside. If we break through the support of 623.60, the next support is the lows down here of the day and pre-market near 621. Definitely something to not overlook and ignore here. And then below 621, the first level I'll be watching is 620. Now, when we pull up the bull and bear indicators, we're going to see how we continue to hold up through the volatility due to the fact that larger time frames are setting the tone and confirmation here. So when we pull up the bull and bear indicators, we could see here on 42 vision a bull indicator on the 30-minute at 622.84, and this is all backed up by the strength of inflows, right? Inflows is blue when they're dominating, it shades blue, and outflows are red, and when outflows are dominating, like up here, it turns into the red shade. And things turn out to be very crucial to watch these levels. Why? Because of the strong critical areas of support and resistance and strength that they have over the chart and the data that is shown of the volume of these inflows, which you could see here within the shaded area. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 2-hour, we could see bull and bear indicators here fighting in the volatility of this chop, but the support of 620 is crucial, and we're trying to push away from it again, and this bear indicator here at 624 needs to get canceled to justify any further move to the upside based off the 2-hour and all the lower time frames. The strongest bull indicator was down here at 598, and it lasted until it got canceled at 623, and it was backed up by inflows the whole way up. Now, when we go ahead and look at this from the 2-hour to the 4-hour, we go ahead and see here that the bull indicator has not been canceled since 598, and the inflows have broken through the previous outflows, and we're seeing it here holding up this chart, and there's no bear indicator up here in this volatility. So as long as that bull indicator at 598 on the 4-hour continues to hold, the volatility in the lower time frames, even the 1-hour, the 2-hour, does not matter, and everything lower than that. And right now the 1-hour is back under a bull indicator, and the 30 minutes. So I would like to see that roll over into the 2-hour, and we attempt to try to break the resistance up here in outflow level of 626, and then try to go out for new all-time highs and new levels. 630 is on the watch. What are your thoughts down below? I would love to see that in the comments. Do you think this week we could hit 630? Because the strength is there as long as these inflows hold up and there's multiple bull indicators on multiple time frames, and the 4-hour does not get canceled through the volatility. So I would love to see that down below. Your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 Vision in our inflow versus outflow to maximize through the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down, and having the confirmation of trend with the strength of the inflow versus outflows of supports and resistance within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting connected and having you join us. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.